Okay, we're back on YouTube. And we are waiting on Ms. Kustoff and the probation officer, evidently.
Bella,
Yes.
okay, on Flotus's conditions, I'm gonna have to correct the probated term to 12 months. So I'll send you correct copies, okay, after judge signs.
Sounds good.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Okay. Debbie, can you, oh, here we go. I was about to ask you to stick your head in there and find out what's going on, but
Judge, we're about to do the plea. I'm just need to fill out the paperwork. My question was, can I put both cases on one?
no, you
Sheet?
cannot. You have to
Okay.
have separate paperwork on each case, Ms. Kustoff.
Okay. I wasn't sure, so I'll make sure to do that right now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
This is a probation case, FYI.
Okay, yeah, I figured that since you were in that breakout room with him. It's taking an ungodly amount of time. I mean,
Oh, so judge does pay attention
I do every now and then. I hate it
every
when
now and then.
I really do.
And Your Honor, just for the court's information, the terms are essentially identical with the exception of the length of time.
Okay. Are we gonna do conditions on one case like we did the last case, or are we gonna do?
We can,
Well, I asked the probation officer if she did it that way, paperwork.
Oh,
Valid.
whatever. I mean, what are the terms? I still haven't even done them. Hold on. What are we gonna do, Talia?
So on the case ending in 536, the offer is 12/18. And that case is Class A, that's why. And then the rest of the terms, like I emailed you, with the exception of
Mhm.
the restitution amount was calculated incorrectly by the prosecutor.
Okay, I'm glad I haven't made it into a PDF. What is the
It's
restitution?
2,000, not 3,000.
It's 2,000?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I get so confused when y'all say that. Okay, so she gonna be placed on probation for 12 months or 18 months?
18 months, the
Okay.
underlying of 12.
Okay.
And on the other one, it's 18 months with the underlying of 6.
So they're both 18 months.
Right.
Okay. And then I just put all the conditions on the criminal mischief. Did you want no contact on the on the other one, the criminal trespass?
It just has to be on one of them. It would be better if it is on the one, let's
The
see,
criminal trespass or the criminal mischief?
the mischief.
Okay, then, all right. So there you go, Judge. Everything goes on the
No mission.
criminal mischief, as we discussed. And then the supervisory also on that criminal.
Mission.
Okay, all right. I gotta finish it up. I gotta get a signer.
Okay, I'm hurrying up and I'm waiting.
I think it's gonna be a
Judge,
while.
I'm trying as fast as I can.
Okay,
We
let's
we
do
had to,
something. A lot of time on this and more time than most attorneys could use. Could you please?
Yes, I'm typing
best
as
you
fast
can.
as I can. I'm just trying.
Okay. That's Christoph.
Judge, I'm trying to type as fast as I possibly can.
Okay, I
We
don't
were
understand
trying
what's
to,
taking, I don't understand what's taking you so long. Is the standard paper to a plea? What do
right,
you?
well, we were negotiating. I was trying to do what's in my client's best interest. I'm filling it out as fast as I can.
I'm not arguing with the plea bargain. I'm trying to find out what process is taking you so long. Normally,
Well, I hadn't filled out any documents yet because I was trying to work on a different deal. Unfortunately, was not able to make that happen. We were trying to coordinate with County Court 7. And so, but my clients decided to move forward with this. So
still, you're not answering my question. What is taking you so long? What are you filling out that's taking so long?
the plea paperwork, you just said it takes time to fill it in.
It's a
Okay.
pre-filled signature.
But it's not just, it's just not just my signature. It's asking, for multiple fields.
Okay.
I'm gonna get it done right now.
Valverde, can you go in and help her see what she's doing? Because I don't understand why it's taking her so long.
I believe, Your Honor, it's the paperwork that the attorney has to complete before it goes to the jail. I don't think it's at the jail yet, right, Deborah?
Let me check. I don't. We haven't done it yet. I have one set of paperwork at the jail. Can you see if you can bring her paperwork up?
So one of them's already done, it's the second one's.
Yeah.
I already did
Judge,
mine.
I filled out one. I'm filling out the second one.
There you go, Judge. When she completes it at her end, Your Honor, it goes to the jail, to the
Okay,
iPad.
and then she has to go in and explain it to her client. what she
Right. She still has to do that. Yes, Your Honor.
Well, I'm
Um,
showing both of them. Both of them are at the jail. So she just needs to go in there and have her client sign.
Oh, okay. There you go, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Kustoff, you need to go into that breakout room with your clients, explain everything to him, make sure he understands that everything he signed, especially the constitutional rights waiver.
Absolutely, but you told me to fill out two separate ones, so I'm filling out
I
the,
don't, I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time understanding. Every other attorney doesn't have this much of a problem with it. And I can't help you because I can't see it. And I don't know what you're doing. But basically, you just need to go in with your client, explain the paperwork that you have in front of him, and make sure he understands that he's got to plead, he's got to know what he's doing, and that he's got to agree to the plea bargain if he wants to take whatever the plea bargain is today. All right?
yes, Your Honor, we've discussed that. It just take time to negotiate.
Okay. I don't know what you're doing, but you got to figure out what you're doing so you don't do
Okay,
this.
I'm gonna get it done
Okay.
right now.
All right. Thank you. So she needs to move herself back into that breakout room.
To your attorney.
Maybe if she doesn't know how to do that,
Yeah, the paperwork is pulled up.
Yes, Judge,
Um,
I just am filling out
Ms.
the
Kustoff, do you know
second.
how to go back in breakout room 1?
I do not know how to, or join breakout room. Yes.
If you look for I think it's just, yeah. Okay, thank you.
ay caramba.
after she pleads, I still have to go over her conditions, Judge, but you can just leave me on with her and,
I think I will, Alex. I'm
yeah,
sorry.
that's fine. And I can get, Bella just to stamp it with your permission. Is that okay?
Yes, Bella, you can stamp it not only once, but twice, even 3 times.
Absolutely, Judge.
We're still on YouTube.
I don't care. I don't care. Ah, if we weren't on YouTube, I'd be saying all sorts of stuff right now. Tell you. Never mind. I'm going to mute myself for just a minute. Call Okay, Alex, what does it look like in there? You've been in there with them.
They're working on the second set, Your Honor.
Okay. I have one set of the paperwork on my screen. On the 26 case.
So Bella, when you get, because I put you as an approver,
Mhm.
so on all the sets of conditions, I'm gonna email that to you, okay?
Got it.
All right, awesome. As long as we're on the same page.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, we got two sets of paperwork on my screen now.
Bring your paperwork with
Okay.
you, that's yours.
And
Judge,
we get,
ready to go.
okay, can we have Miss Newbo taken in front of the camera, please?
Yes, they're good.
And I apologize that it took me a while.
Okay, Valdez, is it 3-6 case the one that's gonna have all the conditions on it, or is it the other case?
The criminal mischief, the 536.
Okay. I'm gonna pull that up. Okay, Miss Newbo, can you raise your right hand for me? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down, ma'am. I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, get close enough so you can really see it, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is your name Elizabeth Newbold?
Yes,
Are you the same Elizabeth Newbold who in this cause number 2026 CC 010532, who in this cause number is charged? Let me make sure I've got the right cause number.
Shoot. I flipped the cause numbers. Not realizing.
Oh, hold
So
on,
this
hold
is
on.
the criminal trespass one.
All right, let me go back. Let me do the other one. Okay. This one is 3-6. It's listed as 3-6 on my screen, but mislabeled otherwise. All right, let me try this again. Are you the same Elizabeth Newbold who in cause number 2026 CC 010536, who is charged with the offense of cruel mischief of something having the value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you? I need a yes or no loud enough so I can hear it, man.
yes, sir.
Thank you. This case is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what your possible punishment could be in this criminal mischief case?
Yes,
Are you also the same Elizabeth Newbold who in another cause number 2026 CC 010532, when that other cause number is charged with the offense of criminal trespass?
yes,
Criminal trespass is a Class B misdemeanor. It is possible in that case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with in the criminal trespass case and what the possible punishment could be in the criminal trespass case.
Yes.
Okay, just so that we're clear about this, you have two cases. One is a criminal mischief case, which is a Class A misdemeanor, and your other case is a criminal trespass case, which is a Class B misdemeanor. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. In all of these cases, you have filed documents entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed these documents, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Correct. Yes.
Looking at another document on my screen entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You have filed this document in both cases. You've signed it in both cases. So is your attorney. Did you go over this document with your attorney in both cases?
Yes, sir.
Did your lawyer explain these documents to you?
Yes.
And do you understand them?
Yes.
Hold on, let me sign this document. 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
I'm looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, your attorney signed it. You filed this document in both cases. When you signed these documents, what you did in effect was this. You told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow the plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
So then, in cause number 2026 CC 010536, where you're charged with criminal mischief as a Class A misdemeanor, in that case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay. And your other cause number 2026 CC 010532, where you're charged with criminal trespass, how do you plead in that case? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
1 minute, please. Do you understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway? I'm not hearing you.
Yes.
Okay. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
I'm sorry, I can't hear, ma'am. Has
No,
anyone
sir.
forced you to do this?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has someone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain in these cases? Can the prosecutor please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor. It is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 12 months Bexar County Jail, suspended and probated for 18 months, MRT, a TAP evaluation and follow recommendations, 50 hours of community service restitution, that is 50, and no contact with B. Hawkins, HAWKIN as in Nancy, S, his family or property, and $2,000 in restitution to the same individual.
Okay. And is there a plea bargain in the criminal trespass case?
It is identical with the exception of the length of time would be 6 months Bexar County Jail, suspended and probated for 18.
Okay. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Ms. Kustoff?
Yes, Your Honor. I would ask, I'm appointed on these cases, if you could take that into consideration for her supervisory fee.
Okay, there's this normal standard supervisory fee that's given in these cases. Anything else?
Nothing further.
And is Ms. Newbold, do you agree to these plea bargains?
Yes.
And then Ms. Newbold, in cause number 2026 CC 010536, where you're charged with the criminal mischief case. In that case, the court accepts your plea of no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to 365 days in the Bexar County Jail. However, I suspend that sentence. I place you on probation for 18 months. I assess a $0 fine plus court costs. Make it a condition on your deferred that you do 50 hours of community service. I make it a condition on your probation that you also do an MRT program, that you do a TAP evaluation, that you have no contact with initial B, Hawkins, family, or property. I'm looking to see, do I need to do anything else on this other than?
No, sir, I don't see that. You
Do I
typed
type
in the
in minimum
MRT and the no contact. And it's deferred, right?
No, it's regular probation.
Okay, I thought I heard you say
Yeah,
deferred.
I
but-
did. That was a mistake. It's a regular
Okay,
probation.
okay.
And on here, I'm also going to type in the minimum supervisory fees. Whatever those are.
Yes, sir.
So, and I misspelled minimum. Damn it. Hold on.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Not super fees, but super fees. All right. I'm clicking on this. I'm clicking on this case. I got to do the other case. So hold on, ma'am. Now this one is mislabeled 36, but I'm hoping that
No,
it's
it's my fault.
no. Don't worry about the fall part. It was mislabeled on the outside, but the actual paperwork is labeled correctly, so you're okay. All right. All right. Let me sign off on this. Come on, Paul.
But I am the one that messed up. No one else did.
Okay. Okay, on cause number 2026 CC 010532, where you're charged with the criminal trespass case. In that case, the court accepts your plea of no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to, and let me make sure I get this one right. Is it six months? Which will
Bexar
be
County Jail,
180 days. Hold on. Probated for
18.
18 months.
Yes, Your Honor.
I assess a $0 fine plus court costs. I've already done all the other conditions on the other case. I won't do this. I'll run this case concurrent with the other one, so there's no doubt that all those conditions apply to that case as well. 26 CC 01 05 26. Okay, before I click this and send it off to cyberspace, anything else I need to do on it, Brother? We're
No,
good?
sir, you're good.
Okay, so I'm clicking this off. Okay, tell the deputies that you still need to talk to the probation officer, okay?
Thank you, Judge, for your patience. I appreciate it.
Ms. Christoph, let me get us off of, don't go anywhere, 1 minute. I'm gonna take us off of YouTube for 1 minute. And let's see. I'm taking this off of